For the first time, Mia has done a collection which is inspired by the past. We have taken elements from the past, but we have interpreted it in a very modern, new avatar. And that's the blend which makes it right for the Mia woman.
If I were to associate an emotion with this, it would be hope.
We walked through the old Indian palaces, try to bring in all the beautiful motifs from the palaces like the lotuses, the paisleys, the arches.
With the Manifest collection, we wanted Mia woman to feel the luxury. We wanted her to experience feeling like a royalty.
Every curve and every detail went through layers of revision until it was just right.
We bought in a lot of stripes and did a lot of bold jhumkas with lotus.
A lariat necklace, which is like contemporary version of the lotus, and there's a chain falling, which is minimal yet contemporary yet quirky. It can be worn to work, it can be worn every day, it can also be worn to different events. It just fits naturally.
We also introduced Navratna with the pearl string, and it was something really interesting to work on.
One of my favorite pieces is Paisley pendant. I had taken inspiration from a Paisley motif. We had integrated the bail in the part of her design itself, so there is no separate bail added to the product.
There's one design which is the sash stone, which is an aventurine stone. It's literally like a sash. So it's a statement piece, has that royal charm. It's quirky in color because it's green color. It's a perfect conversation starter.
One of my favorite pieces in the collection is the choker. It's inspired by the Alamhara motif. Actually, if you see the palaces, their flooring is very exciting, and this motif really comes from there. It has a very soft geometric form, and the way the diamonds are placed on it is very exciting.
Mia Manifest is a tribute to the woman who tells their story and just flaunts her style perfectly.
With this collection, we want you to manifest. If you believe it, you become it.
Mia Manifest. Precious every day.